My name is Mike Coriolan, and I work at Skyline Solutions, and I'm a product technician. I was looking for a new job and a career path to go to. Just an issue of not having a vision of where my future was going, and I saw that Linux could provide me that. I would tell them there's no other choice. You should definitely take this class just because you never know, where life might take you, and it's the future, technology. So if you don't know what you want to do, it's one of the only careers where you don't need a college degree. You can just go from high school to working. What made me choose the Linux for Job program is that it's something that it was basically a course I could take instead of going to school. So I had two options: either pay for the school or pay for Linux for Jobs. So I felt that it was the right decision, and it'll propel me to where I want to be, like immediately. What surprised me is how the teachers handled it, like took care of us, and how they were always available to talk, and questions were like, they always wanted us to ask questions, and like our classmates were pretty fun, and they were always open to hang out and study. So that's surprising. It was a good interaction because the students were always, we would always ask questions, and teachers were always there to answer no matter what type of questions we had. Like some questions, like sometimes the teachers didn't know, but they were always, find answers for us. So it was very good, and we could reach out to them anytime, whenever, in any place. The job market is very broad. You can do a lot of things with Linux, and it's open to people who have degrees, who don't have degrees. It's not just so tight. It's actually very broad. There's a lot of fields where you can go. It's not all about, I don't want to say admin, but there's a lot of other Linux positions out there. What I do see is, I guess, a quality of life, and my life changed, drastically. I was able to afford a lot more things, and I can save a lot more to accomplish my goals later on in life, and that's the reason why I joined.